48 hours in Avignon, France, and this medieval city completely surprised us. From towering Gothic palaces and ancient cobbled streets to hidden fortresses and breathtaking Rhône Valley views, this became one of the highlights of our road trip across France. After arriving at the Mercure Hotel in Avignon, we immediately felt the atmosphere of Provence begin to slow everything down. The hotel was modern, welcoming, and perfectly located for exploring the historic heart of the city. Les Gustaves was a very busy restaurant, but the service and meals were still top-notch. We enjoyed wine and a cocktail. Then my husband Andrew had merlan de boeuf grilled perfectly with roasted potatoes and winter vegetables. I decided on artisanal spaghetti, celery cream with winter vegetables, truffle rastello ham chiffonade, and ocello ravate shavings. No question, the experience was amazing, and the friendly staff made a huge difference. Following an incredible dinner at Les Gustaves restaurant, we sat out the next morning to experience Avignon for ourselves. Walking through the medieval streets of Avignon feels like stepping back in time. The narrow cobbled lanes, hidden courtyards, and old stone buildings create an atmosphere unlike anywhere else we visited in France. Lavender's popularity in the Avignon region is deeply rooted in Provence's identity and is championed by local institutions that preserve its heritage. The words Provence and lavender have become nearly synonymous because the region has been a center for its cultivation since the 16th century. The area east of Avignon, particularly Lebaron and Verdun Plateau regions, is home to some of the world's most iconic lavender fields. Towering above the city is the incredible Palais des Papes, one of the largest Gothic palaces in Europe, and a reminder that Avignon was once home to the Popes during the 14th century. Just a short walk away is the world-famous Pont d'Avignon, the partially destroyed bridge that has become one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. Together, these historic sites offer a fascinating look into Avignon's influence on both France and medieval Europe. Beyond the city itself, we explored Fort Saint-André across the Rhône River, where the panoramic views back toward Avignon were absolutely spectacular. Massive defensive walls, medieval towers, and centuries of history still remain remarkably intact. After leaving the fort, we passed one of the most significant hydroelectric developments north of Avignon. It's the Vallabreche Dam and Power Station complex on the Rhône River. Located about 15 kilometers from Avignon, it produces an average of 1.3 billion kilowatts annually, approximately equivalent to the yearly consumption of the city of Nice. We later continued towards St. Roman Abbey, a unique monastery carved directly into the limestone cliffs overlooking Rhône Valley. Even without completing the full hike, the scenery alone made the visit worthwhile. Avignon gave us history, scenery, incredible food, and honestly, we'd gladly return tomorrow.